Hey guys, my name is T.
My name is Ed.
And today we're doing a fluffy slime video. My sister Ed is just making a video right now. And I also have an assistant that's going to help me a little bit. That's name is
G.
Isaac. She's going to help me. Okay, so this is the slime that we made earlier. So this is just how an example the fluffy slime is going to look like. And so ingredients are a bowl and a spoon, some shaving cream, some glue, and some contact solution, and some baking soda. Okay. First, we're going to add the glue. Yeah. Hey guys, wait this.
I'll take the garbage.
It's nice. It's a bubble. Okay, so that's it for the glue. Next we're gonna add the shaving cream. Shaving foam. So just a little bit of it. Okay, and now I'm just gonna mix it up. I'm gonna mix it up until it blends up. Yes. I'm gonna hold it. Oh, Mama. So I think that's enough. So I'm just gonna add some contact solution. So just a little. That's it.
Now the assistant is gonna put some in too.
So
put it in G.
A little bit more. That's it. Just
That's it. You can go play.
no.
No, you don't want to play. You want to watch us.
Okay, so I really see it looks very good. So next we're gonna add some baking soda. Just a little bit. We don't want it that much. We're just gonna mix it a lot. Guys,
We're still mixing.
almost done. We just have to mix it a little bit more just to make the crunch, the baking soda smooth it down. So it's time to get messy. Hey, give me paper. Oh, yes. Let me paper. So I think we need some more context solution. Here. Baking soda kind.
We added a little bit contact solution. Take the rest. And now I think it's ready. I want to feel it. It's so good.
It's
just keep on like playing with it. Here it is. The wonderful, the beautiful slime.
Yeah. So we just have to keep on.
So she's still playing with it.
It's just too sticky.
It's a little bit still sticky. And get it off your fingers. Maybe that will work. Yeah, that works. That works. Yeah, I think, yeah, that's good.
Yes, that's good.
So, make sure you like and subscribe and share this video to all your friends. And comment down below if you like the slime or if you want some color in it.
Awesome.
And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.